Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I think so. I like these jeans, but I don't think they're my size. I need a size 10. These are an 8.
Well, let me see. Yeah, here's a size 10. They're really nice jeans, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Can I try them on?
Sure, love. The fitting rooms are over there, behind the large mirror.
Could you help me?
Oh, yes.
I'm not sure if the size is right. They're a little too tight round the hips, don't you think?
No way. I wouldn't buy them any larger if I were you. They're a slim fit and should feel a bit tight. These jeans will stretch with wear. They really look great on you.
Oh, I really do like them. How much are they?
They're £85, love.
Oh, that's expensive for a pair of jeans. Do you have anything like these, but cheaper?
Oh yes, we've got plenty of great jeans, but they're all a different fit. If you could come over here, I can